Hello Facebook, hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Today we're going to be making something called Rosebud. We're going to be using Wild Moon Rose liqueur, brand new to us. I actually haven't even tasted it. I should actually taste it. Courtney, can I have a little glass so I can taste? Give everybody a minute to join me. I'll taste this while people are joining. Hello. All right, I see that I am live. Oh yeah, yum. All right, hi everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Monday to everybody. What a beautiful weekend we had. It was gorgeous. It was beautiful, warm and sunny. We were packed outside in our garden. So if you haven't been in our back garden, come check it out. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. The streets were closed this weekend. We didn't have many tables on the street because we do have our back garden. So we are open. We do have the back garden open. On beautiful nights, we're going to try to seat outside only, not inside and outside. I apologize about that, but I don't have enough staff for both inside and outside. Our kitchen cannot handle inside and outside. So we do have our back garden. It is open. It is ready to go. It will be open tonight. It will be open all next weekend because I hear it's supposed to be beautiful again next weekend, nice and warm. We'll have tables on the front street. There will be music next Saturday. And we have music starting again. I've had lots of requests and asked, when are you starting live jazz again? So we're going to start live jazz on Thursday night, 6:30 to 9. It's a trial run. John, Simon, and friends will be here in our back garden. Please, please, please make reservations. It will be busy. I highly recommend reservations Thursday night. 6:30 to 9 is jazz in our garden. Marcus announced our new $9.99 special for the week. We're going to do our salmon with a dill mustard aioli, dill mustard sauce. It is just the salmon, so $9.99 with just the salmon. You can order sides. We have mushroom risotto. We have garlic mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes. We have our pear salad, our Caesar salad. We have grilled asparagus, local grilled asparagus. We have sauteed garlic broccoli. So we have lots of stuff for you. So if you would like to order, 647-3000. Call, place your order to go. The salmon is to go only, $9.99 to go only. You can order groceries still. You can order wine. You can come in and pick up wine. We still are able to do that, so that's very cool. So thanks everybody for watching. I really, really, really appreciate it. Don't forget jazz on Thursday. We will be open this weekend. It'll be beautiful. Outside dining, under our tent, in our garden. The fire pit should be roaring. Let's see. We gave out free popcorn this weekend. The kids loved it. We had kids lined up waiting for free popcorn. So even adults can get popcorn for free while you're walking in. If you want to take it to your table, we'd be happy to get it for you. We just ask that you bear with us in terms of staff. Some nights we don't have abundance of staff because we're not sure what the reservations are going to be like or how many people are going to come. And other nights we might be overstaffed. So we just ask that you bear with us. This is, again, another learning lesson for us. People are starting to go out more. They're feeling more comfortable going out. They're dining outside. So we have a lot of walk-ins. We highly, highly, highly recommend you making reservations. If you know that you're coming to Aroma Time, we had tables show up this weekend. We were packed. We couldn't take any more tables. We drove 40 minutes, they said, and we couldn't seat them. So I apologize if that was you, but we highly recommend if you are driving to us, call and make a reservation. Please, super important. Helps my staff, helps me, helps us out. So, all right, I am going to make something called the Rosebud today. This is a brand new product, Wild Moon Rose liqueur. I saw a rose margarita made. I saw we can make a rose frozen margarita. We have daiquiris frozen again, so I can make a rose daiquiri. So let's get started. So today we are going to fill the shaker up with some ice. And we are going to add about 1 1/4 ounces of gin. We are going to add about 1 ounce of rose liqueur. We are going to add about an ounce of grapefruit juice and a couple of squirts of lemon juice. We are gonna shake this up. And actually, I think I'm gonna grab a different glass. Hold on, everybody, don't go anywhere. I haven't used this glass in a while. So we're gonna put it in a glass like this. I think this is kind of fancy. So, a Rosebud. So gin, rose liqueur, grapefruit juice, and lemon juice. And there we have it. Give it a taste. Ooh, that is very interesting. You know, I would probably add a splash of agave just to sweeten it up, but it's nice. It tastes very grapefruity. The gin comes out, and there's lots of grapefruit and the rose. It's quite lovely. That is yum. All right, $9.99 special for the week is our salmon to go. Let's see, it is Monday night. We have Jazz in the Garden on Thursday, so hopefully you'll join us on Thursday. And I hope, what? Oh, and I always forget to tell you about the ribeye special. We still have the ribeye special. $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. I don't know how much longer that's gonna last, so if you're interested in that, call ahead, get takeout. $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. And our charcuterie plate, if you haven't checked out our new deluxe charcuterie plate, it's beautiful, it's big, it's awesome. We have people who are ordering it to go as well, taking it home, sitting outside on a Sunday. Come on in at 3 o'clock on Saturday or Sunday, sit outside in the garden, get a charcuterie plate, get a bottle of wine, sit and relax, and take your time and eat and enjoy. So let's see. I think that is it for today. Hope everybody has an awesome day. Get outside, get some vitamin D. As you can see, my cheeks are still rosy. Someone came in and said, wow, you got a lot of sun. I literally have only been out in the sun a couple of days. So congratulations to Canisius. Canisius is the 4th seed in the MAC conference. So they will be in playoff games against Marist College up in Canisius on Thursday and Friday. So that's Justin's team up in Canisius. So that's awesome. So congratulations to them. They're the 4th seed in the MAC conference. And good luck to those boys out there. Good luck to everybody playing sports and finishing up your spring semester. Hard to believe that this year is gone and Justin's freshman year is almost over. And that is it. So everybody have an awesome day. Enjoy. And I will see everybody hopefully tomorrow. Have a fabulous, fabulous night. 647-3000, $9.99 salmon to go tonight, this week, and $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine. So, and our regular menu is available as well. Have a wonderful night, everybody. Cheers.